People come to see me to have acupuncture for a variety of reasons. Some people come with something specific in mind that they want us to work on, and other people might come because they generally feel a bit under the weather, a bit under par, and they want to feel a boost. Whatever the reasons that people come, often people will say that they have some common benefits from the treatment. Generally, people feel very relaxed during the treatment and afterwards. They sleep very well that night and often feel much more positive within themselves and energised for the few days after treatment. When you come to your first session, what will happen is we'll spend quite a bit of time talking about your health, the issue that's brought you for acupuncture, but also lots of other aspects of your health. What I'm looking for is an overall pattern of your health, and that then allows me to form a diagnosis. I may ask to look at your tongue and also to take your pulse on both wrists, and again that gives me some information about what's happening inside you and what your chi or your vital energy actually feels like. At the end of that session I can be much clearer with you about what to expect in terms of the treatment and how many treatments you may need. Often with acupuncture we talk about a course of treatment, and that's because the benefits build gradually. People respond at very different rates. Some people respond very quickly and feel a big difference after just 1 or 2 sessions. Other people, it's a more gentle, gradual build-up before they notice a big change. Sometimes people ask me whether the acupuncture hurts at all. The needles that I use are very, very fine. They're much finer than even the smallest pin that you can imagine. And most patients don't feel anything when the needles are inserted into the body. They can be inserted anywhere from the top of your head down to your toes, depending on where you best need the treatment. All the needles that I use are sterile and disposable. They're used only on you and then they're thrown away. When the needles are put into the body, I then come back to them and twiddle them, and what I'm trying to do then is for you to get to feel the chi, or the natural life force that's within you as the needle taps into that. And that's quite a strange sensation. It's not painful, but it's odd because it's not a sensation that most of us feel very often. It can either feel like a gentle tingling around the needle, or a slight heaviness or a warmth around the needle that may radiate down the leg or down the arm. That sensation will only last for a couple of seconds and then gently ebbs away. And for the rest of the time that the needles are in place, you won't feel anything at all, except hopefully a feeling of calm and relaxation. We then leave those needles in place, usually for 20 to 30 minutes, but the first time that you come for just half that amount of time. And most patients will say that that's the part of the session that they enjoy the most. It's the reason that they come. For many of us leading very busy, stressful lives, that's the only opportunity you might get in your week to have some time completely devoted to yourself. Acupuncture works with who you are. Its main aim is to rebalance you, and the body wants to be naturally balanced. It wants to be a homeostatic mechanism. Many of us are just slightly out of balance because of the fast pace that we live our lives. Acupuncture seeks to work with you to get you back to a state where you can be the best that you can be. If you'd like to know more about how acupuncture may be able to help you, then do feel free to get in touch, either by phone, by email, or by using the website contact form.